Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So, if your Oral-B Braun toothbrush is not charging, it can be frustrating because the device may look perfectly fine, but simply won't power up when placed on the charger. This issue often makes it seem like the battery is dead, but in many cases, the problem is related to charging alignment, dirty contacts, or power supply issues rather than a complete failure. Since these toothbrushes use a contact-based charging system, even a small interruption can stop the charging process completely. Once you go through the right steps, you can usually get it charging again without replacing anything. So, in this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps to fix your Oral-B Braun toothbrush and restore proper charging. Try these. Step 1. Ensure the charging base is plugged into a working power outlet. Step 2. Try a different outlet to confirm the charger is receiving power. Step 3. Clean the charging contacts on both the base and toothbrush. Step 4. Place the toothbrush properly on the charger and align it correctly. Step 5. Leave it on charge for several hours before testing. Step 6. Remove it from the charger and check if it powers on.